Hi, Eric here from Laserscanning TV, the #1 German channel for all laser scanner news, point cloud softwares, workflows, accessories. I have a ton of new information in this September. Summertime is over. If you like to inform, stay tuned. Biggest news this month, from my view, it's coming from FARO and GeoSLAM. And the news are FARO acquires GeoSLAM. Here I have the announcement on the FARO website. As a FARO, one of the biggest player for metrology, but in our cases, terrestrial laser scanners. And also some mobile scanner application. They have a dock scanner on Boston Dynamics. They have a ScanPlan, also trolley-based system. And now they acquired GeoSLAM, one of the market leader for SLAM, for indoor mobile mapping, also outdoor mobile mapping too, SLAM-based, one of the market leader, also technology leader. And FARO acquires them, was on 1st September, was the official overtaking of this company. And there will be, on the long run, GeoSLAM will be, or the technology will go in the FARO world, but it will take a little bit of time. As actually is market information that GeoSLAM is sold by GeoSLAM or GeoSLAM dealer on site from FARO. Maybe in the future then it's combined. From technology point, I find this very interesting. It's like FARO expand now in the SLAM-based mobile mapping application, and then I think they like maybe all integrated all the products in one software platform. That you have a large range of sensor, and then you have one web platform where you can handle the data, share the data, analyze the data. They have now these new, the FARO Sphere, and then they have HoloLens. I think they will do something together, but from my understanding, it will take a little bit of time because different software development from the history. If you like to combine it, I think it's a little bit bigger task. You not can fix it in 5 minutes. Yeah. Then the next one, from the handheld scanner market, there's a company, PLS3D, and they announced the new PLS3D scanner. PLS3D is a little bit the, or what would you say them, the budget market or the entry, I would tell them entry solution market from querform scanners. And you see they have a price here from starting with the PLS3D from $8,900 compared to a big scanner from querform, was is $40,000 to $50,000, also definitely entry market system. And they're looking here for like design work, this application, and you have this system standalone, and then you can buy it also with a CAD platform for reverse engineering together for $12,000. That's the two systems what they announced. Then we jump over to next company. It's also from handheld scanner market, is Shining 3D, a very big player, and they have a new star is born, and they call them EINSTAR scanner. And this is definitely very entry market system. I would say more like consumer market, maybe for education. The price is super low. It's, I think, round about less is $1,000. So they're telling now, actually, if you buy it now with pre-sales is $800 or €800. And you can see here, it's an easy-to-use device. It's very small, but you have to have you need also a laptop. They have also this special technology for scanning hairs. I think the application is getting 3D model from people, and then you print them out, and then also everything digitization, maybe and then you digitize your object using this in VR technology or making then 3D printing from that. And that is for $1,000. It's definitely a very good price. So move forward, we go here. I have to switch a little bit that you can reach this to. It's announcement, EMLID Reach RX. I showed this from our web shop. You can go also to the EMLID website. This is a new GPS device from EMLID, and the new one is like, I don't know if somebody knows these from the history. There was a little bit tricky connection between you. You use normally your iPhone or your Samsung, as your Google Android system, for the app to control the receiver, and there was a little bit tricky WLAN hotspot stuff, a little bit complicated, and now they make it easy. They have now a Bluetooth connection. You can go direct with Bluetooth and have a very long battery time in this very good system and a very cool price. Also, you also can use encrypt data. You have all networks, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and Baidu It's very small, it's 170, 51 and 39 millimeter, 250 gram, very lightweight. You can see it is a little bit bigger as your pole. Very good for many applications at the prices like 1,600 euros for a professional GPS receiver is a very competitive pricing. Then we go a little bit to the drone market. There we have here this company YellowScan announced that they have now deliver one of their scanner as OEM LiDAR system to the FIXAR 007 drone. For me, looks like that is this application from YellowScan where they integrated this DJI Livox system in a more professional LiDAR drone. And I think this FIXAR is, I think, a little bit different technology from a platform. Usually they use DJI drones, and I think the FIXAR is a wingcopter, and I think they have a little bit longer flight time, and I think this is the reason why they combine this together to deliver a mobile scanning, airborne scanning system on drone based with a longer range. And then we have another company from America. They also announced, Censys is the name. They add also LiDAR in their application inside, and they like also to go here in this Intergeo family product line. And this is also a fixed wing vertical takeoff. It's a little bit complete the same, or like the FIXAR, or not the same, but similar. And I think the idea is also to use the LiDAR functionality to detect larger areas, also detect different vegetation, ground control points. And they say they have a precision from 2.5 centimeter and accuracy from 3 centimeter at 100 meter above the ground level. I think that's coming from the laser. Yeah. Then we have another system, what is also quite interesting. So here's the ELIOS V system. It's from Flyability, Swiss company. They put these technology from GeoSLAM inside. They have a SLAM-based system based on an AUSTER scanner. We done there some tests. I was really surprised together with Flyability Germany dealer, and it is I can show you a little bit the video. As you can, the idea is to fly with the system in area where you not can go inside, and the drone is protected against if you can hit some surfaces, you will jump back and you can fly back to your place. And that's very good for underground mining or also for bigger industry, storage, tanks, stuff like that. Very good. You have also a very good camera, like 4K here. Also I like the full solution from the system, and the pricing is pretty low. Also not pretty low, but it's like I think from starting around 40,000 euros. I think it's starting price. If you see some other system, they have a price from 200,000 or something. You get really, it's a very good package from my understanding, in my point of view. Then we go here to next side. I have to switch here also in English too. Pix 4D cloud application. They released some new stuff here. For all of them, they are Trimble user. You can now they have an integration the data in your Trimble Connect software. Then they're supporting IFC files. You can import IFC objects in their viewer together with your point cloud to get a better overview. Then they have a better visualization of site progress with 2D, 3D comparison. You see it here in both of them. Then you can choose the cluster location where you store your data and process them. Also you can have different locations here. I think what you saw, it's Montreal, Canada, and then you have also other options to work with this. And then we jump to the next one. It's Nextech AR, and they have a program they can call them AR Way, and they integrated now LiDAR systems. Also they have it in mobile phones usually, and they use the LiDAR system of the mobile phone, like especially in iPad or something. And then you can use the app, and you have these LiDAR information. You get better 3D models from the reality. And they're like, you see some of their results, like typical scan, but they put it in the AR platform. And the idea is that they use these hyper-accurate spatial data for indoor navigation. I think that was something what they like to use I think they tell it somewhere here that one idea is that they use it for indoor application, and people can use these technology to make own apps inside of these AR software. And this, I think, is a metaverse company, as like something from these Facebook guys. Yeah, and then at the end I have some information here. It's that we have some new accessory in our shop, especially for the Artec scanner. We have battery packs, we have turntables, we have hard cases, some cable stuff. We have these calibration kit and batteries, and also some reference object for handheld scanner, what you need for getting better tracking. And one side, it's more for the international side, that we are signing a contract together with Finnish company Pointscene. They deliver a program for construction, usually is site manager, BIM coordinators, and site surveyors. You can have all your data web-based, and then you can have it on your mobile phone or tablet, and you can, if you are the site manager, you can have all your field data. So you have the DVD drawings, 3D models, and also maybe drone data from actual situation, and then you can work in field and see what's happened. That's something what we're doing. We are having now the reseller contract for Germany and Austria and Switzerland, also for German-speaking areas. If you are interested from other country, then go direct to pointscene.com. Yeah, that's all for now. And not forgetting, for some of you, they like to come to Germany. We have from 18 to 20th, we have the big show Intergeo Essen, west part of Germany, big city. It's the biggest show starting now. I think more bigger as in the last year without the COVID restriction. I think will be a big show. Many producers have a booth there. We are also there. If you are a visitor from our channel and you like to meet us real, that's your choice. And then in this one, it's bye-bye, Eric, until next month. And maybe we do some interesting stuff from the Intergeo for you, some small video tour. Bye-bye.